We did some tree trimming today, and I think I'm going to use the shredder here and see what happens. If the tree gets too big, you got to cut it down a little bit. Over here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not quite satisfied with that, but whatever. This is going to be your next meal, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to compost this material, this wood that we cut off from the front of the house, into the compost, into this shredder bin, and we're going to put it in the compost. And it'll be next year's meal. It's a Sunjoe 14 amp composter. And you can see here, that's the diameter that it takes to compost. And for back's sake, I have it elevated so I don't need to bend down. It's going to take a while to compost all this, ladies and gentlemen. All the small pieces have been cut up, and we're going to go to the compost bin now, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to put this in the compost bin. So let's steer around this trampoline. These are the potatoes that are starting to grow, as you can see. There's a couple weeds, but I'm not worried about them right now. This is the compost bin, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look, we're going to have to break that down eventually. Here we are now. Going to add this to the compost bin. And I'll start breaking these boxes down better. And that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. After a good day of wood chipping, cutting the wood down from the front, putting it through the chipper, it's time to cool off a little bit with a Bundaberg Diet ginger beer. Delicious.